Hey and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'll be going over channel points and how to set them up. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. To get started, we just need to go to Twitch and log in. From here, you just need to click on your avatar, and from here, we'll just head on over to the Twitch dashboard. Once this here loads up on the left hand side, you can just scroll down to where it says Viewer Rewards and click this here little arrow to expand the menu. Now in here is where it's going to have the channel points, but only if you're an affiliate. So if you do not see this here option, just remember that you have to be or need to be an affiliate for this to show up. So if you don't have this, you're most likely not affiliated. That being said, we're just going to click on the channel points. This is where all of the magic happens. The first option is to enable or disable channel points. I suggest leaving this enabled or enabling them. They're a very fun way to interact on stream, and they're very fun for the viewers. I definitely suggest having them on. But if you're looking to turn them off, there's the option. Just click it and you're done. And that's all there is to it if that's all you needed to do. Thanks for watching. No, I'm just joking. The next option down here is customizable points for your display. And in this here spot, you can go over here and click the edit, and we're going to go to another page and load up a few more options here. Now in this here options of stuff, you'll get your points name. So you can change your points name to anything you want here at all. You can call them channel points, ZN coins, whatever you would like. I'm going to name mine to ZN coins. So we're going to get ZN coins here in my chat. All you have to do is click the save after that. Now, if you do have some art or something that you would like displayed as your points, all you have to do is make it in a 28 by 28 pixel size, a 56 by 56, or a 112 by 112. You can do this in any program by resizing or whoever means necessary. I don't have a piece of art quite yet, but I should have one for the example a little bit later. Might add a quick little video in here. Get your art, open your program, open your art in here, copy it. From here, click new. You want it to go by pixels, and you want to make this 28 by 28 pixels. I think 70 is good. I have no idea why that was 23,000 bajillion, but we're just going to leave it like that. We're going to turn those down. Click create. Now this is going to be really small at first, but in here, all we have to do is click paste. Now the key to this is to make it the exact same size as that little square. And we'll need to zoom in. Alright, then we just need to save it, and make sure that you save it as a PNG. It's the same for all the rest. All you have to do is click new, type in the pixels, 56 by 56, so 56 by 56. I'm going to keep it with a 70 pixels per inch. Click create, it'll be the same thing. It's just go here. Once you already have it copied, you can just paste it again. And the same thing again. Just grab it at the corner, hold your shift, drag it up here. It'll fit in here, and then center it. Okay, once you get it centered, it's the same thing again. We're going to click save. I save all my work. Click save. Click save. Save a copy. Make sure you select the PNG. Click save. Click OK. Up in the top corner, click new. And the same thing again. This is the last one. This is 112 by 112. Same thing again. Up here to edit. Slash in your paste. Shift and hold this corner and drag it in until it feels about right. We want a little bit of space there so that it centers perfectly. And there we go. And then same thing, just save it again, and then save a copy. Save it as a PNG. Click save. Click OK. Once you have them made, they'll show up like this. You just need to click the ones in each spot. That's as simple as it is, and click save. This will give you your preview like that. Okay, from here, if you make any changes and your uploads are in here, you'll have a little preview of what your coins are going to look like here at the bottom. So if you upload the picture, that will change here in your update as well, and you will have to click the save. So make sure that you remember to save. I guess just wait till you're happy with the results when you see it down here, and once you're happy with the results, just hit save. And that's really all there is to channel points and getting them set up. From here, you can do lots of things with them. For example, when we go back, there's another spot right here. One more option. This is manage rewards and challenges. This is where you can add a lot of cool things to spend points on. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video on rewards and challenges, you can definitely check out my video that goes step by step through the rewards and adding them and setting them up. It's just a bunch of clicks through options. It's not really that much. In this video, I just want to make sure that I get the enable points, and I want to make sure I go through the basic steps of setting up your customized points. Again, the only thing I am missing here is the art. I will probably upload something to fix that a little bit later on. But that's the basic about the points. Once you're done there, they'll be set up and they'll work right away. First thing you click enable, and you don't need to do none of this. You just have to have them enabled and they should work. And this is just a little bit of customization you can add to add your own little spice to your channel. But that's really all there is to it. That's everything you really need to know for channel points to get yourself started. All the rest is just like managing your rewards and what you spend the points on. And again, I will have a video linked down in the description below to help anyone that doesn't know how to set those up. This is the spot to find it. You just need to click. You'll go to the options. You can click here. It'll give you lots of other things. I definitely suggest checking out the other video. It goes in a little bit more in depth about clicking through these things and what they can do, what you can add, things that you can do in here. But that's all there is to it, guys. That's everything there is. That'll get you started. That'll get you going. That's the basic point system. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comment below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.